Keeping customers is the new winning strategy in 2025. Did you know that increasing customer retention by just 5% can boost profits by up to 95%? If you're tired of chasing new customers and want to grow smarter, not harder, this video is for you. Today, we're diving into the top 10 customer retention strategies that will transform your business, keep your customers coming back, and drive unstoppable growth. Let's go. Studies say that repeat customers spend up to 70% more than newly acquired customers. So, effective customer retention strategies drive sales and revenue growth. That makes it one of the essential strategies that businesses must prioritize. We look at 10 customer retention strategies for business growth, focusing on actionable tips and relevant solutions. The importance of customer retention. Customer retention is the ability of a business to keep its customers and drive repeat purchases. In essence, new customers become loyal customers and advocates of the business. Here are some reasons to prioritize customer retention. It is cost-efficient and up to 5 times cheaper than acquiring a new one. Repeat customers tend to become brand loyalists. It supports sustained revenue growth. It drives acquisition as loyal customers refer their preferred brand to their peers. Customer retention metrics. There are relevant metrics to focus on when implementing customer retention strategies. These metrics allow you to track how well you are able to satisfy your customers. Here are 5 main ones to consider and track. Customer lifetime value. CLV tracks the entire revenue that one customer can generate throughout their interaction with a business. When optimized, you can focus resources on high-value customers. Purchase frequency rate. This tracks how much repeat business you get over a period. It is best to calculate the purchase frequency rate on a yearly basis. Doing so allows you to get more insights on seasonality, etc. Repeat customer rate. This KPI accounts for all customers who have made at least 2 or more purchases. It is more common with e-commerce brands, but businesses with other models can apply it. Customer retention rate. The CRR is the percentage of customers a business keeps over a period. Churn rate. The churn rate is the percentage of customers who stop using or buying a product during a period. High numbers point to an inability to meet customer needs. Top 10 customer retention strategies for 2025. Build emotional connections. Personalize interactions. Send thank you emails, and celebrate milestones. Customers who feel valued are more likely to stay loyal and advocate for your brand. Leverage omnichannel support. Provide seamless customer service across social media, email, and chat. A unified support system ensures customers get assistance wherever they interact with your brand. Offer loyalty programs. Reward repeat customers with points, discounts, and exclusive access. Offering perks creates an incentive for continued engagement and purchases. Streamline onboarding. Make it easy for customers to get started with guides and tutorials. A smooth onboarding process reduces drop-offs and increases long-term satisfaction. Personalize interactions. Use customer data to deliver tailored content and experiences. Customers appreciate brands that cater to their preferences and needs. Provide proactive support. Address issues before they escalate through predictive insights. Anticipating customer needs enhances trust and reduces frustration. Create online communities. Encourage customers to engage with forums and social groups. A strong community fosters brand loyalty and provides a space for knowledge sharing. Implement feedback. Use surveys and sentiment analysis to improve the customer experience. Acting on feedback shows customers that their opinions matter and lead to continuous improvement. Enhance service with AI. Deploy AI chatbots for instant, personalized support. AI-driven customer service boosts efficiency and ensures quick issue resolution. Invest in employee happiness. A motivated team leads to better customer experiences. Happy employees create a positive service environment, directly impacting customer satisfaction. Prioritizing customer retention fosters brand loyalty and long-term success. Start implementing these strategies today.